call obiter dictum.
Yes.
Reason being, the court was not invited to pronounce itself on impeachment.
Yes.
The court was invited to make a determination whether the MCAs were in contempt.
Yes.
For chasing away Honorable Okero.
Thank you.
So
Hold
the
on.
court was saying in passing.
Okay. Hold on. Through you, Chair. Hold on, Council.
Whether you suspended
Council,
him.
hold on. Then the MCAs went to Kisumu. What did they tell the judge?
Honorable Senator, if you may allow me to conclude on this particular paragraph.
You had already concluded. I am asking you, Chair, when the MCAs went to Kisumu.
Chair. Don't work. I mean, allow him to conclude. Conclude.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, what was filed in court, the petitioner wanted to punish the MCAs for chasing him away from the assemblies on 15th October, not for impeaching him. So the judge was saying in passing, whether you frog-marched Okero, whether you impeached him, whether you suspended him, you were in guilty for barring his access. That is not an order reinstating him. It's a by the way statements by the court. For example, if the court writes a ruling and say it's a sunny day, that is an obiter.
Senior Counsel Omogeni, please help us on that. Can you help us on that statement?
Honorable Senator, the most important part in any ruling is the holding. Holding.
Order, my friend. We are not people known to the jungles. So we'll give to Senator Senior Counsel. I want you to repeat the same statement.
Honorable Senator, my position is that paragraph 7 is an obiter dictum, reason being what the court was invited to pronounce itself on was whether the acts of 15th October, the altercation, whether they were in contempt or not. The court was not being invited to pronounce itself on impeachment. So the court was saying, as a by the way, whether you frog-marched Okero out of the assembly, whether you suspended him, whether you impeached him, whether you carried him on your shoulders, you are in contempt for chasing him away from the assembly. Honorable Senator, and you will agree with me, the ratio at the end of the day is that they were in contempt. The court did not at any point say, now, Honorable Okero, I'm reinstating you. No, it was just saying, as a by the way, you were in contempt.
Honorable Chair,
You know,
I sit here really pain, Chair, through you.
Chair.
You want to say something?
I think, Chair, Honorable Onyonka is a very experienced politician, but on issues dealing with the law, he can get it absolutely wrong. I think
Counsel, I would like, Chair, I would like, if Honorable Counsel thinks I'm not able to understand the law, to bring a substantive motion to this committee. We discuss that first before you can interrogate. What I am saying, Chair, I am here trying
Chair,
to...
you gave me the floor. I have not finished.
Just a minute. It's because you were talking about my character. I would like to state it very clearly, Chair. I'm trying to get information that can make me make intelligent decisions.
Honorable Omogeni.
Yes.
Withdraw the statement.